Yo, what is up, guys? Today we're gonna be speaking about our trade which we took Friday, and I'll show you guys the whole thought idea of what we had. So first of all, price was heavily bullish, and then we had news release. Price made a good run up, and then price reacted from a 4-hour point of interest. Then we saw a rejection, and then price came back to the highs again, and price did not sweep the liquidity, which was kind of a factor where I was not so sure that price would go lower because double liquidity at the top, but I saw price making lows. Price came back below these lows, broke structure essentially. Then price swept this liquidity and also came back inside this POI. And the price created a change of character on the 15-minute. um this was during Asia and London. As you can see, this is not Asia, by the way, but as you see at Asia, we made this high, and then London opened right here, and then price just did its thing. But essentially we had a change of character to the downside, so I was looking for a kind of a sell bias because we also had the DXY that was looking to fill our gap from the past few days. And then what we had on the 1-minute chart, because on the 15-minute we were bearish, we were looking for a sell. We had this 15-minute change of character, and then what we had was essentially, let me show you right here. We had the 15-minute change of character, and then we had the sweep of this liquidity because price tapped inside this POI, right? Price tapped inside, and as you can see, price sweeps liquidity and does fails to create new highs. So also the 1-minute break of structure did not hold. As you can see, this demand should have held, but it did not. And then we had a 1-minute break of structure to the downside. People would call this a liquidity sweep, but it is not, because looking at the price action, price again failed to create the high. Now we're going to see what happens next, what caused my entry. As you can see, price does not close above, which, if you know my strategy, price should close above. And as soon as I saw this rejection, I entered with my sell on the market. I had a very good fill thanks to that. Normally MFF's fills are very bad, but this time was very good. And then price just boom shut down in maybe TP in about 10 minutes. So essentially the 4-hour was bullish, yes, if you look at the 4-hour. But as I spoke about, let me delete this. The 4-hour, it reacted off this and even off this, which we had double mitigation, but price respected that. And this is just a retracement sell because price probably ran a bit lower, which I caught another short there, and then price probably bounced somewhere from around here. Yeah, price made a good run to the downside, but then yeah, price made a good run to the upside. So if you look at the 4-hour, it is essentially just a retracement sell. It is not a bearish thing, because when price makes new highs, which we expected today, where we had these buys. So I hope this makes sense. It was a very good short. We made good money on that. So this was a very successful trade. I hope this helped for you guys to look for your trades. We have the sweep of liquidity, which is very important. Liquidity is very important. Just failing to break these highs, when price fails, that means, let me go back here, price failing to break that high, as you can see right here, which is very important, as you have the 1-minute break of structure to the downside. Even this one will give you more and more confidence, and then price comes back. And what you want from a 1-minute demand zone is that the price creates a 1-minute break of structure, which you didn't have here. Price swept the low, which is normal, but then price failed to break this high, and this gave me the idea that we were gonna run lower, which we had the liquidity of London right there, London lows, but they already got swept. But this was still London session about New York kill zone, but I was expecting us to get to this demand zone. Then you saw a small bounce. Didn't anticipate on that, but that was good because price just ran lower and lower. I guess I had a buy right there, I don't know why. But yeah, and then today we had a big buy, a 1 to 20, about, no, not a 1 to 20, but let me see where it was. Yeah, it was around here, and I think the whole Discord group caught that. It was something like this, and we were aiming for the daily high 380, and I was aiming for a little bit higher, so price ran real good. And as you can see, news purely fake. just did what we expected. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this made any sense. So yeah, enjoy.